If we're stealing the show, because I haven't been anywhere else yet, but it really looks like there's a lot of people with their cameras out.
What do you think of the machines you're seeing here today from STOLBEK?
I think they're fantastic. I work directly with cabinet manufacturers, door manufacturers. I do it every single day. I see their problems and challenges. And this product is innovative, it's fast, it solves a lot of problems. It's amazing. It's amazing. Really great.
And how difficult was it to run the Cosmo here today?
I mean, didn't even have to think about it. Push of a button, flick of the wrist.
Carlos, what do you think of this machine?
I mean, this is awesome. This is the best machine you could get. I mean, it grinds everything down good. Awesome. I recommend it 100%. Awesome.
You tell me. Rate that out of 10.
12. Paint ready. It's paint ready. Wipe it and paint it. Real good.
Here we go. In we go. Breaking the corner. Sand, sand, sand. 2 more sanders here. Feel that edge. Tell me what you think.
It didn't took more than 10 seconds to do this board.
Out of 10, how do you feel about that edge?
It's a perfect edge. It's just a perfect edge. I was looking at the one that is finished, thinking that you might put an edge bending and then tape. It's a pure sand. So it's ready to be primed and painted.
It's ready. And tell me what you think.
Well, that's nice. That's real nice. That's impressive. Very impressive. That was quick too, very quick. Yeah.
Have you seen an edge like that in one pass?
No, no, absolutely not. Yeah.
Pretty cool. Like 5 Tonys in there.
There's like 5 Tonys. Happen every time we turn on Cosmo. Our edge sander for the first time. Go for it. And then I'll show everyone the secret of why it's so good. So out of 10, 10 being good, you tell me what that edge is.
Looks like a 10. That's nice.
Out of 10.
10? That's really nice, yeah.
Definitely a 10.
Pardon?
Definitely a 10.
Nice.
This is really nice. All right, your turn.
I love this.
Non-stop. Right now.
Crisp and sharp.
Sharp.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, out of 10.
I'm gonna give you a 10. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, that's insane.
Nice.
Right now, what do you like?
Are we saying 1 is sharp?
1 is terrible.
Okay, so right now we're shooting about a 1.
Okay.
And I'm gonna run through the STOLBEK ES23-2-1.
You're hired. You're hired.
All right, let's give it a rating. Ooh, that's about a 9.8. Because there's always room for a little
I was
improvement.
gonna say we got some work to do.
That's sweet. Wow. What's this?
I'm not a believer until now. Watch your fingers. Love it. 10? I'm looking at a 10. Not you, this.
Oh.
Four passes, it won't do it every time.
It's amazing. 10. It's clean. Love it. Wow.
Another plane, another machine install. If you want to see more, check us out at stolbek.ca.